September of 2014 found 101 anxious riders lined up at the sandy beaches of Daytona, Florida, eagerly anticipating the 16 days of truly incredible riding that lay ahead of them. Cannonballers from around the world set their sights on Tacoma, Washington. Along the way, businesses hosted the group and invited local fans to visit the thrill seekers at organized events just the way early Americans did for Cannonball Baker on his cross-country excursions. People came out in hordes, packing venues for an opportunity to see the rolling museums and meet the brave jockeys as they passed through their towns. The words motorcycle cannonball became a household name, and the world of motorcycling would never be the same. The interest in antiques was revived. Motorcycle auctions, eBay, and every platform available for antique motorcycles and parts became flooded with Cannonball hopefuls. Searches for a qualified vehicle to carry them across the country. The 2016 Race of the Century route from Atlantic City, New Jersey to Carlsbad, California was set. Lonnie Islam Jr. was fighting for his life against cancer. As plans for the 2018 run were being laid out, the Motorcycle Cannonball's beloved founder handed the mantle over to his business partner and friend, Jason Sims, before he quietly passed away in August of 2017. In 2018, riders navigated a northerly course from Portland, Maine to Portland, Oregon. Rain, hot temperatures in the plains of South Dakota, cold temperatures and snow in the mountains of Montana, along with extreme winds in the Dalles of Oregon, added to the everyday challenges of running an ancient machine through the country. Despite these obstacles, this route was recently voted the favorite from riders. Many challenges came to the world in 2020, and with closures due to COVID-19 pandemic, Sims had no other choice but to postpone the event. With 2021 bringing a safer and the country opening back up, the Motorcycle Cannonball finally completed our 6th event, where 88 riders completed the track. From Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan to South Padre Island, Texas. Long live the memory of Lonnie Islam Jr.
presenting us. Yeah, that was great. That's an Ohio read, so that's pre-29. I just asked to know the next deal for the head take over the exhaust. Tyler, he's the other guy from Departure Run.
All right, so
any questions, or if you got any answers, give some of those too.
Yeah, right.
These are the two bikes I sponsor. I run the trail as sponsor. I support.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I drive the truck and trailer between spots.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Tell me about the Henderson.
The Henderson is a 1917. It's called a Detroit Henderson, made in Detroit by the original Henderson brothers. And it's lighter, smaller, and like that, so in some regards it's more desirable. It's a bit slower, but this is a 4-cylinder inline, and a lot of nickel plating, very pretty that way. 3-speed. Where's the 3-speed? Yeah, he shifts over, he shifts on the other end. And this is a second Cannonball. He completed the first one fine,
oh, yeah?
and now running it again. So.
Nice.
It's a beautiful machine.
I like the wind deflector.
Oh yeah, he's an engineer. He can't. Well, hey, it's a solar panel, friend.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I didn't see that.
Just for the battery, just to keep up on the lights. He's an engineer. He's got to do that kind of stuff.
Right. Where's he from?
Vermont. These two guys are from Vermont.
Oh, okay. You're from Vermont?
Albany, New York. And I good friends for years.
Yeah.
This guy, mechanic in a shop up in Burlington, and I've had a lot of bikes worked on, a couple restored, that kind of stuff. Well, enjoy.
Good meeting you, man.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is our friend Andy, who I was speaking to yesterday. I had a nice conversation with Andy. He is from South Dakota. Cool guy. He's run a few Cannonballs. He says this is his last one. He's hooked on adventure motorcycles right now. He has a KTM 1090R, and he says that's now his new passion. So this is his last race. I'm sure we'll see him here shortly. Cool guy. Talked to him for about 20 minutes. This, I believe, is in Flathead, so it's before the Knucklehead. And this young guy is from West Virginia. I spoke to him yesterday. His chase crew, the guys from Jersey, so we were kicking it. Looking for that turquoise.
It helps.
I have a large collection of bikes. Hoping to bring this.
Indians are probably getting into
I have about I'm from Maryland, just outside of DC.
so cool. Well, I hope we'll see ya. I think there's 8. How many bikes? 71? How are you? Good, how are you? Good. All ready?
Pretty cool. Guys are all geared up today. Pardon me.
We're having one man right here. That's what picked it up. That's what picked it up.
Jason, where you guys think about doing announcements and stuff?
Probably right up here.
Okay.
After a little bit.
All right.
I got a bullhorn. We'll grab it. I got a guy that passed it.
Okay.
Not a problem. Good, good.
It's kind of nice here.
Say that to me? This is the class show. It tells you what your handicap is. What's to be gained and lost.
You haven't had any substantial rides since you walked out.
What's going on, man? You're from Bikes and Breakfast, right?
Yes. Obviously, you come to Bikes and Breakfast. Okay. The
Bronx Brothers.
Is who's friend?
Bronx Brothers Motorcycle.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
So is Ryan here today?
I haven't seen him. I saw.
Bumped into him. I saw
Yeah.
my
Yeah, exactly. And I was here, and it was down there, and I missed it. I must have missed it.
No, Virginia.
Oh, okay.
And
So
then
you're
Old
from
Town is
Virginia?
next to it, yes.
Okay. Yeah, I see your picture on the Bikes and Breakfast thing.
Oh, so I get that recognized?
Yeah, I'm serious. I mean, that's how I just recognize you right now.
Or the dog, because he's
Yeah.
on there as much.
Is he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come back every year.
15 this weekend will have about 800 to 1,000.
Oh yeah. Wow. Jeez and crackers, man. Really.
And then Old Town will have between 300 the following week.
Wow. Yeah, we don't get those kind of
No.
numbers.
Got it. I appreciate it.
But you haven't been around? Oh no, Virginia Beach.
About a
has
year and a
been-
half.
But Clifton's been going for 10 years. So.
Yeah. We got two spots that we go to. The one spot in the countryside, that's
Right.
really nice.
Yeah,
Fungo.
well, the trading post is nice. And
Yeah,
so
yeah.
is I'm a little. I know why we moved over to.
Yeah, a lot of people like it there.
The
So
brew, the thin brew. They do like it there.
they do.
I don't know why. It's a
You
big
got
parking
beer,
lot.
coffee, and
That's what I figured.
food and Mexican food. So, but you know what? I can push my bike there. That's how close it is. So it's roll out of bed and I land there. You know what I mean? Anyway, nice talking to you, brother.
Yep.
My name is Richie.
Richie, nice to meet you. I'm Steve.
Likewise. Sorry.
Certainly. Great. Hey, thanks for waiting. Appreciate it. Thanks for waiting. Appreciate
Oh,
it.
yeah, no problem.
You got
You
it.
look good, man. You were holding the pose forever.
Yeah, we're trained to smile for 5 minutes at a time.
Oh, that's so good.
I didn't bring my guitar. I'm sorry. Come on. Yeah.
This guy just doing it.
How you doing? All right, yourself.
Princess Diana. Oh, is he got a hat on? Good take my hat. I have some in the box. Yep, well, you can have a look at this.
This bike that I've got.
Saw one.
Yeah, he's not too small model bike. He'll go out. Across the street from where we're at. Across the street from where we're at. So I'll see. You won't be able to miss us.
How did you do? We did the same thing today. We're riding down here. Just I'm 62. I had a 57. I got about 19.
Let's everybody sign his bike. There's a couple oldies, 850 with what looks to be a Currier header. Another 850 shaft drive, G. And that one's also a G, which made them shaft. That looks to be like a 80, 1980, 79, 80. This one looks to be a 80. Well, I'm going by this. If those were square, it's 82, 81, 82 and up. If they're round like that, that makes them 70s. Let's see if I'm right. Wow, 82, I was wrong. I guess the G models. And this looks like a 79, 80 because of the paint. Let's see. This one doesn't say. Oh, there it is. It really doesn't say. I can't see. Yeah, can't tell. But that paint job is old. And I had an 82 and it had the square. So I don't understand how this motorcycle is an 82. Now the tank does appear to be an 82. And the side covers, but that engine does not. It looks like they did an engine swap. Look at that good looking bike. Whose might that be?
Next stop, California.
buddy Andy just rode by. Yeah.
I don't know. 7.
Well, today's the 8th, so that's
Other buddy Bob.
my fatigue is
Yeah.
I used to be able to ride all day.
Yeah, same here.
I rode Triumphs when I was young.
Do about 600 miles. If I had to, I could do 8, but
Oh, I do 8. These single-cylinder engines with 2 exhaust pipes. It's like, really?
yeah.
I've never seen that before, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm an old Triumph guy.
Oh yeah? Travel and just as much as possible. Sounds healthy, man. 4-cylinder, like this. Yeah. 333. Yeah.
My people, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, I think you should do so, because if you've gotten this far, that means that you like the type of videos that I put out. Also, while you're at it, why don't you give my video a like? It really helps my channel out. Well, I have another video coming out of the Cannonball Run, so don't be dissuaded. Soon enough, we'll be watching the next video, which is the finish line of the first day's race. It's quite a get-together where we ended up at. Met a lot of people over there, saw a lot of cool bikes. Well, As always, you all take care. Watch out with the crazy people on the roads. And I will catch you on the next one. Adios.